Hi everyone, welcome back to Lena's Pretend Play. In this video, we'll be talking about the science behind a hover disc arena. Why wheels aren't needed. Why wheels aren't needed. So this looks like a big wheel. You're supposed to spin it? No. So let's just get started. Recap of the hover disc building. 3 parts of building. Sparky. Part A, wire the fan. Connect the wires with the fan. Part B, with Willy, finish the disc. Finish building the disc. And then part C, with Rexy, make the arena. And then Steven, I don't believe he was here that time. So understanding friction. Friction is the force that slows things down when they rub against a surface. More friction, harder to move. Less friction, easier to move. By the way, guys, there's something wrong in this picture. If you guys, I'm going to give you a challenge. Can you guys find what's wrong in this picture? Okay, so you can pause the video if you want to and see which one, and you can see what's the problem here with one of these things. So here's the answer. The answer is something that the thing that's wrong in here is this less friction, harder to move. It's actually easier to move, like it says. But that's just wrong. But if you guys got it, okay, let's move on to the next slide. Oh wait, comparing more friction versus less. So how does a hover disc float? The fan inside, can you guys see the fan? Probably. Pushes air downward, like that. If you see my pinkies, let me just turn it on. I can feel air. That means it's coming from the bottom, which I just went like that. And then making a cushion of air under the disc. Just like a hovercraft or magnetic levitation train, just like a magnetic levitation train. That's how it floats in the air because of all the air coming from the levitation train. Magnetic levitation train. And then this is the hover disc floats above the surface. Okay, why wheels, like you see before I start this, see the air is coming out from this and the fan is on. The air is coming out. That's why it's there. So the hover disc has almost no friction because it floats. So it has barely any friction. If you guys don't know what friction is, then friction is when two things rub against each other, like that. Or when you're drawing, with your pencil and your paper, then you're making friction with your pencil and you're making contact with your pencil and your paper. It's friction. That's friction. So it glides really smooth. So it glides. These guys are in the way, so the hover disc hovers above the surface, like that. Okay, let's play shuffleboard with my friends Rexy and everyone else. Okay, steps. Set up the game area, not arena. Step 2, where the hover disc stops, determine whatever that says, I forgot how to say it, the points earned. If it lands between 2 zones, count the lower score. Okay, so let's move these guys out of the way because I don't want them to get hurt. Here. Okay, just move these 2. There. And now, by the way, guys, this jingle block is 5 points. This one is 10. This one's 15. That one's 20. I'm not sure if you guys can see the 21, but it's right here, okay? It's right behind the bottle. So let's get started. By the way, we already did the points, I'm pretty sure, so it might be on the next slide. But I'm showing you. Oh. Oh wait, I stopped it. It was like right here. So it was on. So remember how it says if it lands between two zones, count the lower zone. So it was in between 15. It was on 15 and 10. That means 10 gets the point. So whoever that is, you got 10. So let's see. Oh yeah, we did have the point. So we did it before. So now we have the scores. So Sparky, he got 1 point, which is here, which we forgot to put. Oh, Willie got 0. That means she made it right here. Not great job, Willie, but that's fine. You tried your best. Rexy got 0. Lulu got 0. Steve got 1. Woo! In the last video, Steve got 0 on round 1. Nope. And then round 2, Steve got another point. Wow! Okay, Lulu got a point too. Wow! Ooh, Rexy got 0. Willie got 1. Sparky got 0. So the winner is me! Oh, total score. Steve! I want to show you something cute. That means he's happy. Yay! Great job, Steve. Thank you for watching Lena's Pretend Play. Until next time, bye!